Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, I'm so excited to share with you some beautiful, stylish, and easy to make crochet baby romper designs that are absolutely adorable for little babies. If you love crochet baby fashion, or you're simply looking for inspiration for your next crochet project, then this collection is definitely for you. These crochet baby rompers are not only cute and comfortable, but they are also handmade with love and creativity. One thing I truly love about crochet baby outfits is how soft, unique, and timeless they look. They can be made in different colors, different patterns, and different styles depending on your creativity and preference. As you can see in this collection, each romper design has its own special touch. Some designs are simple and elegant, while others have beautiful details like ruffles, buttons, flower patterns, textured stitches, and cute matching accessories. These little details make every crochet piece look extra special and fashionable. Another amazing thing about crochet baby rompers is that they are perfect for different occasions. Babies can wear them for photo shoots, birthday celebrations, baby showers, family gatherings, or even everyday comfort at home. They are stylish, cozy, and very practical. For beginners, don't feel discouraged if you are still learning crochet. Many of these romper styles are beginner-friendly and easy to make once you understand the basic stitches and patterns. With patience and practice, you can create beautiful handmade outfits that look professional and elegant. And for experienced crocheters, these designs can also inspire you to try new color combinations, stitch patterns, and creative ideas for your future projects. One thing that makes handmade crochet baby clothes special is the love and effort behind every stitch. Handmade items always feel more personal and meaningful, whether you are making them for your own baby, for a gift, or even for selling as a business. Crochet baby rompers are always a beautiful choice. I also love how versatile these designs are. You can create them in soft pastel colors for a gentle baby look, bright colors for a playful style, or neutral tones for a modern and classy appearance. The possibilities are truly endless. As you continue watching, enjoy this lovely collection of crochet baby romper inspirations and ideas. Hopefully, these designs will inspire your next crochet creation and help you discover new styles you would love to make. If you are enjoying these beautiful crochet baby romper designs, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more crochet inspiration, handmade fashion ideas, and creative crochet collections. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.